Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wheel Wonderland, your home for die-cast dreams and miniature speed machines. Today we're unboxing one of the boldest, baddest castings to hit the car culture. Silhouettes line up the LB Works, McLaren 720S. Let's start with the packaging. Hot Wheels didn't hold back here, the artwork on the card is stunning. You've got the unmistakable wide-body shape, a bright turquoise finish, and the Liberty Walk branding front and center. This isn't just packaging, it's a mini poster for your wall. Now let's open it up. Peels back the blister carefully. There it is, the LB Works. Suncheese in all its 164 glory. Right away, you can feel the weight. This is a metal edel. Construction with real riders' rubber tires. The stance is chef's kiss, low, wide, and perfectly balanced on those deep dish wheels. Take a look at the paint. It's a brilliant aqua teal metallic, smooth and glossy with just the right amount of sparkle. You've got headlight and taillight details, Liberty Walk side decals, and even the hood vents are finely cast. Every line and curve from the real LB Works body kit has been replicated with care. Now let's talk about the real car behind the casting. The McLaren 720S is already a supercar legend, a twin-turbo V8 monster with over 700 horsepower, capable of 0 to 100 km in under 3 seconds. But when Liberty Walk gets involved, the game changes. Their custom wide-body kits turn already insane cars into rolling works of art. Low, aggressive, unforgettable, and that's what this casting celebrates. The fusion of racing technology and tuning culture. Hot Wheels captured the spirit of the real thing. From the flared arches to the oversized spoiler, the detailed side skirts to the exposed diffuser, this model is pure automotive attitude. If you're a fan of JDM culture, supercars, or just jaw-dropping die-cast design, this is one for your top shelf. A true centerpiece for any collector. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the LB Works McLaren 720S from every angle in our cinematic close-up detail shots.